Hi guys and welcome to Makeup Masterclass. Since Navratri is going on, I thought I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to get the perfect makeup look for dandiya night. So if you want to know how I got to this, then keep on watching. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and also don't forget to check out our POPxo shop because we have some amazing things out there. We have fanny packs, backpacks, crop tops and a newly launched beauty line. The link will be in the description box below. And for more such videos, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye bye.